Kapamilya, nandito na naman ako. May kilala ka bang may critical illness katulad ng cancer? Bad news ba to? Pero alam mo, may nagsasabing blessing daw ito. Mas nalalapit daw sila sa Diyos because of the challenges. Having a critical illness can help you discover faith you didn't know you had. So, if you experience critical illness, remember the following. Number 1, always include God in your journey. The bigger the challenge, the bigger the faith. Number 2, create a support system. Palibutan ang sarili ng kapamilya at kaibigan. Number 3, focus on the blessing rather than the suffering. Blessing katulad ng life insurance with living benefits. I challenge you to ask people with life insurance with living benefits. Alam mo, sasabihin nila sa iyo na napakalaking blessing nito. Paano ito naging blessing? Financial security. You can accelerate your death benefit funds while you're still alive. Peace of mind. Kasi alam mo na meron kang safety net. Flexibility. Aba, you can use your living benefits money for anything. Support loved ones. Pwede mo ring magamit para makatulong sa iba. Imagine, nagkasakit ka na, nakakatulong ka pa. Tandaan, critical illness doesn't define you. Rather, it's a part of your journey. Don't wait until it's too late. Nasa huli ang pagsisisi, kaya huwag ka nang magpahuli. Text me at 323-244-9784. Gusto mo din bang makatulong sa iba katulad ko? You too can be a living benefits specialist. Ang maganda rito, makakatulong ka na, matutulungan ka pa. Ito po si Gina Christie. Until next time!